What if the master key to unimaginable wealth, capable of unlocking your financial destiny, wasn't hidden in complex algorithms, but within your own mind? Many chase prosperity, feeling it's a rigged game. But what if a definitive, proven path could transform your reality in just 30 days? This isn't mere wishful thinking. This is the profound legacy of Napoleon Hill. He dedicated a lifetime to dissecting the minds of America's wealthiest, distilling their wisdom into an actionable philosophy. Hill presented a radical yet simple framework, 7 timeless steps designed to attract riches magnetically. His promise was bold, his methods revolutionary, and the results, for those who dared to apply them, nothing short of miraculous. The journey begins not with a bank account, but with an inferno. The first and most crucial step in Hill's master plan is cultivating a burning desire. This isn't a casual wish. It's an all-consuming obsession, an unwavering conviction that you will achieve your financial goals, regardless of obstacles. Imagine a thirst so intense you'd cross a desert for a single drop of water. That's the level of desire Hill describes. It burns away doubt, extinguishes fear, and fuels an indomitable spirit. Without this intense longing, all other steps are intellectual exercises. It's the emotional engine driving every action, transforming vague aspirations into concrete objectives. Yet a burning desire, no matter how intense, can be chaotic if undirected. Hill emphasizes this desire must be channeled, focused, and crystallized into a definiteness of purpose. You must know precisely what you want, down to the smallest detail, and how much you intend to acquire. More money is insufficient. Hill insisted on specificity. I will have exactly X dollars by Y date. This precision transforms abstract longing into a tangible target, activating the subconscious to seek opportunities. It's about drawing a line in the sand, declaring your intention, and aligning every thought and action towards that singular objective. This definiteness acts as a powerful beacon. Once your burning desire is precisely defined, the next critical step emerges: faith. This isn't religious dogma, but an unwavering belief in your ability to achieve your desire, despite current circumstances. Hill argued faith is the eternal elixir which gives life, power, and action to the impulse of thought. It's the mental attitude allowing you to see your goal as already achieved, even before it manifests physically. Through consistent affirmation and visualization, you imbue your desire with emotional energy. This step demands profound self-belief, a conviction that your mind, when properly directed, can overcome any obstacle. It means acting as if success is inevitable, even when the path ahead seems unclear. This isn't naive optimism. It's a deliberate cultivation of a positive mental attitude, refusing to entertain doubt or fear. Hill taught that thoughts charged with emotion and faith translate into their physical equivalent. By consistently holding the image of your desired wealth, coupled with unshakable faith, you program your subconscious to find ways you notice opportunities, attract helpful people, and develop uncanny intuition. This powerful combination forms the bedrock of all successful endeavors. Wealth isn't merely external circumstances, but a deeply ingrained mental state, a belief system dictating your reality. But how does this internal transformation translate externally? How do these energies manifest as tangible assets? The next steps reveal the crucial bridge from thought to action. And so, with unwavering desire and unshakable faith firmly planted, we arrive at the third crucial pillar: autosuggestion. This isn't mere positive thinking. It's the profound art of influencing your own subconscious mind through repetitive thought and affirmation, transforming abstract desire into concrete belief. Your subconscious doesn't differentiate between a real experience and one vividly imagined. It accepts whatever you feed it as truth and works tirelessly to manifest it. By consciously directing your thoughts and beliefs, particularly those aligned with your definite purpose, you begin to rewrite your destiny, attracting circumstances and opportunities that align with your deepest aspirations. This deliberate mental conditioning connects your conscious will to the immense, often untapped power of your inner self. But what if there was a way to amplify this process, to tap into an even deeper wellspring of genius that lies dormant within most of us? Modern science suggests our brains possess an incredible, inherent capacity for ingenuity, a state of heightened creativity and insight often associated with specific brainwave patterns. Imagine being able to actively switch on this innate brilliance, to access a level of mental clarity and problem-solving ability that feels almost supernatural. For centuries, mystics hinted at such states, but only recently has scientific inquiry begun to peel back the layers, revealing the path to extraordinary achievement might be hardwired into our very being, waiting for the right stimulus. This brings us to a groundbreaking discovery, endorsed by an ex-NASA neuroscientist, the wealth signal. NASA's research revealed an astonishing 98% of people are born with inherent genius linked to the theta brainwave state, the sinal da riqueza. However, modern lifestyle demands, stress, and information overload tragically suppress this natural genius in most adults. It's not lost. It's simply buried. If this deep dive into unlocking your true potential resonates, hit that like button and share your thoughts in the comments below. The wealth signal offers a direct solution to this suppression, utilizing scientifically proven sound wave technology to quickly reactivate your dormant theta brainwaves. The process is simple. Relax, listen to the specially engineered audio for a mere 7 minutes each day. This isn't just relaxation, it's retuning your brain to its optimal frequency, associated with genius, heightened intuition, and effortless success. While your mind recalibrates, acquiring specialized knowledge becomes critical. It's not enough to want wealth. You must possess the precise knowledge and skills for your specific objective. Finally, we arrive at imagination, the workshop where desire, faith, autosuggestion, and specialized knowledge converge. In this boundless realm, you construct the detailed blueprints of your future, visualizing success with such clarity and emotional intensity that it becomes a reality. Imagination is the catalyst transforming abstract concepts into tangible plans, allowing you to foresee challenges and innovate solutions. Combined with the activated wealth signal, your imaginative capacity becomes a potent force for strategic planning and problem-solving. This isn't passive daydreaming, it's active mental creation, the final bridge connecting your inner world to the outer manifestation of your wealth. But how do we translate these mental blueprints into physical action and maintain unwavering persistence? That is the next crucial step. Understanding that the mind, fueled by unyielding belief, becomes a magnet for its desires. But how do we bridge the chasm between fervent wish and material reality within a mere 30 days? This is where the true alchemy begins, where the invisible hand of intention meets the relentless grip of action. The third step, and perhaps the most pivotal in this rapid manifestation, is organized planning. Your burning desire and unwavering faith are potent, yes, but they are raw energy without a conduit. Here you must forge that conduit. This isn't about vague aspirations. It's about drafting a blueprint so precise, so detailed, that the universe has no choice but to comply. Envision the exact sum of wealth you seek then. With meticulous precision, outline the specific services or value you intend to provide in return. Who will you serve? How will you reach them? What are the daily actions required? This plan must be written, concrete, and reviewed daily, becoming your sacred scroll, guiding every step. It's the strategic map that transforms a dream into actionable tasks, a relentless march towards your financial destiny. Without it, desire remains a whisper, and faith a fleeting hope. Following closely and equally vital is the power of decision. Many falter here, caught in the quicksand of indecision, paralyzed by analysis. Hill taught us that individuals accumulating vast fortunes invariably make decisions quickly and change them slowly, if at all. Conversely, those failing to acquire wealth are often slow to decide and quick to change their minds. In this 30-day sprint, hesitation is a luxury you cannot afford. Every moment spent wavering is a moment lost, a crack in your intense foundation. You must decide with absolute certainty to pursue your plan, to overcome every obstacle, and to achieve your stated goal. This decision isn't just mental assent. It's a visceral commitment, a burning declaration resonating through every fiber of your being. It's the unwavering resolve propelling you forward, even when the path seems shrouded in doubt. And doubt it will come. Obstacles will rise like specters from the shadows, testing your resolve. This is where persistence becomes your unbreakable shield, your unyielding sword. The journey to wealth, especially within such an ambitious time frame, is rarely a straight line. There will be setbacks, moments of despair, and voices whispering surrender. But true success belongs to those who, when faced with defeat, refuse to accept it as anything but a temporary detour. Persistence is the unwavering determination to continue, to adapt, to learn from every misstep, and to push forward with renewed vigor. It's the grit that transforms rejection into redirection, failure into feedback. Remember, the gold is often found just beyond the point where most give up. Your ability to maintain focus, to hold your vision firm despite external pressures, is the ultimate test of your commitment to this relentless execution. Applying these principles, from burning desire and unwavering faith, through meticulous planning, swift decision-making, and indomitable persistence, is not a guarantee of instant riches for everyone. The universe responds to effort, yes, but also to alignment, timing, and individual circumstances. However, the potential for profound transformation, for materializing wealth in ways you previously only dreamed, is undeniably real. This path demands courage, discipline, and an unshakable belief in your own capacity. It challenges you to shed old habits of procrastination and doubt, to embrace a mindset of proactive creation. Are you ready to stop merely wishing and start doing? To harness the power of your mind and the force of your actions? The blueprint has been laid before you. The tools are within your grasp. Now the execution rests entirely in your hands. Take this knowledge, apply it with fierce determination, and begin your own 30-day journey towards financial mastery. The path is challenging, but the rewards await those bold enough to walk it. Continue to explore, to learn, and to grow with us as you forge your destiny, one decisive, persistent step at a time.